Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today's question is, can 100 times washed ghee be used as moisturizer on lips? Shatadhauta Ghrita is a classical Ayurvedic medicated ghee. It is commonly prescribed for the treatment of skin conditions associated with bleeding and burning sensation. Benefits of Shatadhauta Ghrita: it aids in rebuilding of damaged tissues and supports healing of skin, soothes pain due to irritation of skin, decreases inflammation. Moisturizing and astringent qualities help to balance the doshas in the skin. It is used in treating herpes, skin infection, burns, unknown bleeding during pregnancy, after leech therapy to reduce burning sensation and to stop bleeding, etc. Coming to its preparation method, it is prepared by washing purified ghee 100 times with water. This procedure transforms ghee into a soft, cooling, nourishing, silky unguent that is used as traditional moisturizer and anti-wrinkle skin cream. It is a highly concentrated emollient processed by hand according to ancient Ayurvedic teachings. Shata means 100, Dhauta means washed, Ghrita means ghee. Shatadhauta Ghrita is prepared by washing ghee with water and filtering it for 100 times. This adds a special cooling and moisturizing effect to the ghee. This is not suitable for oral consumption because, however carefully you may filter the water out, there will still be remnant of water in the final product. This combination of ghee and water may cause severe indigestion related problems if consumed orally in excess quantity. However, there is no problem in applying this on the lips. It helps to make the lips glossy, heals ulcers if any, relieves lip dryness, and acts as a natural moisturizer. Even if a bit of Shatadhauta Ghrita enters the oral cavity while application on the lip, it is negligible and will not cause any problems as such. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.